Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. I was going to end it soon, but it seems that it's not a very popular opinion for me to stop doing it right now. So I'll carry it on as long as people want it to carry on. Makes no odds to me. Give me something to do every day. I've got other projects in mind, but I can do them while I'm doing this. I just have to find time to do it, that's all. So, Liverpool badge update, Liverpool crest update, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, look at that, just getting unveiled now. Right, out of interest, does that stay black, or is that going to go, no, it's not going to stay like that, is it? That's going to be great, doesn't it? Will that get the stainless steel put on like the other ones? It looks like stainless steel anyway. Brilliant, isn't it? Right, what are these up to up here? There's quite a lot going on in outside here, so yeah. Ah, the DJ in the mix. That's the painter. I remember going on one of these last time and going, well, what's he doing up there? And then people pointed out, well, if the console's covered with plastic sheeting, he's going to be painting, isn't he? So yeah. Let's get a little bit of spraying. We can't see it. I'd have to go a bit higher. Okay, I don't want to stay this high for now, so I might get him in a minute. People on the roof there, people on these scissor lifts. So what's going on here? Okay, so they're putting that skating board up. I don't know, what is it? Does anyone know? Let me know. Edging, fascia. It's not a soffit goes underneath, doesn't it? I'm going to call it skating board. It looks like a skating board. Okay, yeah, they're fitting that there. What are these up? These are going down, aren't they? So they just finished doing something. Yeah, if I come here on the dailies, guys, and there's nothing to do, then I'll just have to talk about random stuff, like favourite movies, anything like that. Okay, just to let you know, if I'm stuck for the content. And if you want to know, my favourite movie is Back to the Future. I'm an 80s kid, so 80s movies are my thing. I have, like, most Sundays I'll do an 80s movie on a Sunday. Stand By Me, Lost Boys, Goonies, Back to the Future trilogy. Yeah, there's loads. So I'm quite a big Michael J. Fox fan anyway, because I'd watched his documentary called Still. It's called Still, a Michael J. Fox movie, and it's brilliant the way they've made it. I'd recommend it to anyone to watch it if you're a Back to the Future fan, or if you like Michael J. Fox. It was a great watch. Okay, and so I'll go inside to get on now. Well, I won't go inside, I'll go over it. Let's see what the guys doing on the roof first. It's a bit windy. I hope it's not coming across on the mic too much. Yeah, I've seen Back to the Future hundreds of times now. If you want to test me, ask me a question. I like doing quizzes. Ask me a question on a film, and I promise not to Google it. The guys on the front here. The rope access lads in it. I think that's the lads who come out and had to go at me. Well, not had to go, but you come and question me if you like about when that drone was flying too close to the workers. And as it turns out, I think it was Liverpool's own drone, because I watched their footage and their drone their drone is flying very close to the workers. So they might want to look closer to home when you see another drone flying close to them. Oh yeah, there's the lads putting the solar panels down. Yeah, the pollen count's high today. It's kicking me head in a bit today. That's why I've come out early. Get it while it's at its lowest, if you like. So I'm going to get higher, go over the cop, and see how they're getting on with the steels inside. Yeah, so it's quite busy this morning on site, because I'm only here, it's what, 9:30ish, 9:30, 10. That's where we're up to here. That's still there. Is that piece they were working on yesterday still here? It was there, wasn't it? No, that's gone now. Okay. So it looks like they're getting ready to lift that out. But again, guys, it's, you know, it could take all day. Let's get right inside here, see what these are doing. Good way to see inside here now. Okay. Not a hell of a lot going on there. Just gives you a little bit of a look at what's going on inside that we can see from the air. Any difference on the pitch? Let me do. Oh yeah. I'll tell you what. So I was questioning what these were, weren't I? A lot of people said that to go on the front of the upper tier, as there'll be a lip sticking out type of thing. So let's get back up. What'll be going on there somewhere, will it? Yeah. And more terracing, which he says is in the car park. So I'll have a little look around the ground outside, okay, as well. Hopefully that'll be getting lifted soon, all this floor in here. Because that looks like that could be the last piece of ironwork to come out, so that'll probably come out today, I reckon, at some point. No doubt some of the other lads will get it. Some of them get it a bit later than I do. So we've got, between us all, we've got everything covered. Okay, right. Let's have a look around the outside. Right, where's this terracing? Does anyone know? If I don't see it here, I'm going to have to come back and once people let me know where it is exactly outside. I know people said in the car park, but do you actually mean in the car park? I'll just seem out of touch. Let's have a look at him there, looking down on him. I'm still in the wrong position, aren't I? Doesn't matter. Right. Oh, someone wants me to look around this area. Well, so I can't remember exactly what you said you want to look at, so this is where the attenuation tank has gone on it. It was around this area you wanted to look by the Shankly Gate, you said. A couple of you have asked for this. Over on the outside there. Well, people want me to have a close look around here, so I'll just have a close look. I don't know what I'm looking at, so let me just have a pan around. Don't know if it's them columns you want to look at or just down here in general. But you see where the road's going to be as well, can't you, there now? People are asking about the Anfield stones as well. They'll be last to go in. I got one and it didn't go down till about, I don't know, a year after the stand had gone up, the main stand. Okay. So let's take you down to just in case people don't know where the Forever Stones are, at the main stand. They're just around here, so where them trees are down there, where it's all grey, they're the Forever Stones. Can I zoom in? Because mine's around there, mine by the Steven Gerrard bench, which I think is that one. And there's all the Forever Stones there. There's the Steven Gerrard bench. You get big ones and smaller ones, so you got big squares, little squares, and like a brick shaped size. And the big ones are 500 quid, the smaller squares are 100 quid, and the brick size ones are about 50-60 quid. Okay. Yeah, and that's what I'm on about with the let me come down and back a bit. The Liverpool badge are going to look like that, are they? Yeah, so that's nowhere near being a finished article, it's just like a stencil and then put that over in it. Sorry about the noise, guys. Tractor going past cutting the grass and it has kicked my hay fever off. Jesus. Right, there we go. Little fly around. I think I've got quite a bit covered there. we'll finish off here. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, guys. It's much appreciated. Yeah, big crane on the move there while I'm talking myself up. Yeah. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out to grow. Likes and comments are always appreciated. I get loads of comments, so I had loads yesterday telling me not to stop the dailies, so yeah, no, thank you for that. It's nice to be liked. So yeah, thank you very much for all the comments, all the nice comments that you sent me. And I'll leave it there, guys. Yeah, I don't want to waffle on too much. So, thanks for watching. Keep yourselves safe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye now.